Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Constant Contact, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your business with Constant Contact, start by signing up for an account on their website. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Contacts tab to import your existing email lists. You can upload contacts directly from a file or integrate with other platforms like Salesforce or Shopify. After importing your contacts, organize them into lists for targeted campaigns. Next, move to the Email tab to create your first email campaign. Choose a template that aligns with your brand and message. Customize the template by adding your logo and adjusting the color scheme. Craft engaging content that speaks to your audience's needs and interests. Utilize the drag-and-drop editor for ease of use in placing images and text. Before sending, preview your email to ensure everything looks perfect. Next, set up your campaign schedule by selecting the best time and date for sending. Consider A/B testing different subject lines to optimize your open rates. Once you're satisfied, hit the send button to launch your campaign. After your campaign has been sent, monitor its performance in the reports section. Analyze open rates, click rates, and other metrics to gauge success. Use these insights to refine future campaigns and improve engagement. Continue building your email list by adding sign-up forms to your website and social media. Integrate surveys and polls to gather feedback from your audience. As your audience grows, adjust your marketing strategy to include more personalized content. Regularly segment your email lists to send targeted messages that resonate with different groups. This approach will help you scale your business effectively with Constant Contact. Stay consistent with your email marketing to nurture leads and build long-term relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.